we come to this introductory guide to SPSS. Here we are, and if you come right up here to file, you can start putting in new data. You can enter data directly into SPSS, or you can open an existing data from maybe Excel or from SPSS itself, or any of these data types, comma separated values. Do we have it here? Yeah, we should have it. We have SAS, database, anyone you can open data from it. And we can come here to edit. You can edit your data here. You can undo, redo, cut, copy, insert a new variable, insert cases. Those are rows if you want. You can come to data here. You can define a variable properties, set measurement levels, copy data properties, identify duplicates. So you can do some little bit of exploration here, data cleaning. You can transform your data here. You can compute a new variable. Say you want to group your ages into age groups. You can compute into different variable. You can also compute into same variable, which is not advisable because you lost the old data, you lost the former data. And we will mostly be using this one, analyze. Here you can do a lot: descriptive statistics, frequency tables, cross tabulation, compare means, regression, logistic regression, multivariate, a lot. In fact, we'll be using this tab a lot. Analyze. You can do direct marketing. You can plot your graphs directly using Excel, using SPSS. We have utilities and so on and so forth. And when we come here, you see this is history. You can always go back to the last thing you did. Do it here. And we have undo, redo here, and we have a lot more that we'll get to know as we move on. So let us say I want to open an existing data set. So I already have one here. In lesson 1 or lesson 3, we showed you how to do that. So we have some good data here. And so let us say, since we analyze a lot, we want to just get some frequency tables, and for sex and occupation, and that's it. Very easy, straight to the point, no writing of any code. So we have it here. You can explore your data here. So there's one more thing I want to show you. You can exclude cases. Let's say, okay, sex 0. What does it stand for? Go to variable view, sex. We have 0 stands for 0 stands for female and 1 for male. Okay, let's say we want to work only with males. For example, this one we have waist circumference. The reference range for waist circumference is different for males and for females. So let's say we want to code into different variable using only males or females. How do we do that? So we can actually come to data. So where are we? Okay, data, select cases. We want to select only cases today if condition is satisfied. So click here. Okay, if sex is equal to 0, let me do it again so that you can. Okay, sex is equal to 0, which is female, right? We want just this. Select. And so we come back to our data set, and what do you see? All the males. See, all the males have been struck off. So anything we do with our data now, we just have to get the result only for females. Let's try that out. Let's come to analyze, descriptive statistics, frequency tables, and let's take sex. Okay, we have sex already here. Let's take sex and say, okay, what do you see? You see only female, 42 females. So where are the males? The males are no longer here. We have struck them off. So this is what something's tuning about SPSS is very, very important. For example, in this case, we have waist circumference, which has different reference ranges for males and females. So you may want to strike off the males, you use only females, and then you can recode into different variables. You give the age, the reference ranges for females, and you come back later and read for males. So please watch our tutorials on SPSS. We have lessons 1 up to lesson 16. So watch it out, learn how to do regression, learn a lot of stuff